Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code Centipede in Destiny 2. First, understand that this error typically points to a network connectivity issue. Begin by restarting your Destiny 2 game application, then fully power down and restart your PlayStation console. After that, confirm your internet connection is stable and actively working. These initial steps often resolve minor network glitches, getting you back into the game quickly and efficiently. If restarting didn't work, let's move to your network hardware. Power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them from the power source for at least 30 seconds before plugging them back in. For a more reliable connection, try connecting your PlayStation console directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. Also, check that your network's NAT type is Open or Type 1 for optimal online gaming performance. Next, we'll perform some advanced checks. Clear your PlayStation console's cache by performing a full power cycle, ensuring it's completely off before restarting. You might also consider temporarily disabling any firewalls or security software on your router to test for potential interference. Finally, make sure your router's firmware is completely up to date, as outdated firmware can often cause unexpected connectivity problems. As a last resort, try changing your DNS settings to public DNS servers, such as Google DNS, using 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. If all else fails, consider reinstalling Destiny 2 entirely. If the problem persists after these steps, it's best to contact Bungie support or your internet service provider for more specialized assistance. They can offer tailored solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.